This is my 6S 5-inch 03 build, sub 250. Let me show you the weight. 238 grams. Let's get her connected so we can see her fly. Put the goggles on. Getting my hood up. Just get comfy. Arming. There we go. And off we go. Look at that, loads of power. Loads of power, and as you can see, extremely manoeuvrable as well. I just saw a glimpse of that sky. Beautiful over there. Look at that. Loads of fun these are, loads of fun. Ideal if you just want to fly around in your garden like I do. You need a nice light drone, otherwise you could cause some serious damage if you crash into somebody. Look at the power. Loads and loads of power. You can see I'm really low in the sticks all the time. Let's give it a big punch. I don't know how fast this is, but I'd say it's very fast. I've been playing all morning and now I'm running out of daylight. The camera probably picks it up quite well, the O3 unit, so you can see quite well, but in reality it's getting dark at the moment. It's about 5:30, so it's starting to dip. But we can see quite clearly, so I'm going to carry on. I'll brighten it up in the video so we can see what we're doing. As I say, the full spec will be in the video description, so feel free to build drone and message me if you've got any problems. I'll try and help you. But it's definitely worth building one of these. Look at the fun you can have. Class. So much power. These frames, by the way, I've just made them out of bits of conduit and couplers. All available on Amazon. You can link loads together if you want. I've got a bit more to hook together, but it takes a little while putting them together and breaking them down. I've started stripping it because I need to cut the grass soon. Strip it to get it out of the way. Let me just show you a dive, see if I can pull off a dive to the end. I might crash. There we go. The manoeuvrability on these is absolutely insane. Watch those scraggle in those trees there. Easy to crash. And there's a crash. Let's go and pick her up. I even said, didn't I? I even said you have to watch the straggle in the trees. And then I instantly went and banged into the trees.